Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 5, 2023, 5-star Sudoku, 5th grade, VO115. So 115 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, will confirm later. Then column of 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. 7th row and 5th row, VO4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, it will confirm later. In 6th row, VO8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, it will confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 7, it will come in another 2 cells, it will confirm later. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, column H, VO1. So it can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, 8th row, VO8. So it can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, VO8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, VO1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already go 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, column C, VO4. 10th row also VO4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 3rd grade and 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, it will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8, it will come in another 3 cells, it will confirm later. 6th grade and 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells, it will confirm later. 8th row and column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column D, column B, we have 8. 7th row also we have 8. So it can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row and 7th row we have 8. Column J also we have 8. So it can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column J we have 8. So it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells, it will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 4th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then the column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 5. It will come in another 3 cells, it will confirm later. Column E, 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, and for the 3rd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row. 4th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, it will confirm later. 10th row, 8th row, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in another these cells, it will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in another these cells, it will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then in 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column E, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. Second row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.